Right guys, welcome back to another video. We're here at, it's 4:07 and we're here at the bottom of Church Street and it's just blowing a gale here. I wonder if there's no people out. There's just things blowing all over the place. So we're on Bankay Street now. But there's some wind now. Tell you what guys, it's cold. Whether you can hear that wind. You'll probably hear it in a minute. Absolutely freezing. You can hear that wind. It's just blowing me back. Tell you what, it's cold guys. That wind is icy. My eyes are just watering like mad. You can hardly see where I'm going. What I'm going to do guys, I'm going to do another video on the front. Because most of the light pool is on the prom. We've got a star which is just outside Blackpool Church at St John's Square. They've got like an ornament type lamp which is situated opposite Mark Kelly's on Dixon Road, and then they've got a big, looks like a big silver football outside the Blackpool council offices near Sainsbury's, and it's too windy to walk up there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a separate video on the prom and show the what light pool is on there, because like I say, most of it is on the prom. But don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, because you know it's free, you don't have to pay anything. It just helps to support the channel. So we're just on Central Drive. That wind. You can see by them spoons there, they're just above the Golden Mile. There's like an ice in the air. This is like an ice in the air. It was high tide before, about 1:30. Of course, I did a bit of filming there, and just below my knees, water, straight over the prom, trainers, socks, right up to just under my knees, soaking wet. So it got me all right. I was trying to get better footage of it, and it certainly got me. Now at the Golden Mile. What I'm going to do, folks, is I'm going to call and get myself a brew, wait for it to go a bit darker, then we can do a separate video of the light pool. Guys, I'm going to end the video here. I'm going to end the video here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Look at the sand. Oh, you can see that on the floor. Sand blowing about off the prom. Yeah, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you go out, don't forget, wrap up, as it is cold, and I'll catch you in the next video. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now, guys.